Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Greerco W200V colloid mill. It's a stainless steel colloid mill. The rotor and stator are a stellite, in this case, as opposed to the carborundum, which you will see on occasion. It's a laboratory tabletop unit. We just finished rebuilding it. We've set it to recirculate water as a test media right now. Has all new bearing seals, all new O-rings, and you can recycle the material until you reach your desired point of process, or discharge it by opening the valve you see here in the front. They have a high-speed drive in there made by Baldor, run up to about 7,500 RPM. This is running on 120 volt single phase. You can see the small connections right here on both sides. The mill body is jacketed, and you can actually feel it get warm as it runs. The units, when the gap setting between the rotor and stator is extremely small, you'll generate more and more heat depending on how you're operating. We have lots of colloid mills like this in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.